When you hear the words Daytona Beach Racing, do you visualize sailboats on the ocean? Or just automobiles and motorcycles? Since Daytona Beach is the home of NASCAR, and the site of two major motorcycle events, we're betting you didn't think of a sailboat.
Daytona Sailboat Racing resumes on April 10 with the first of this year's Commodore's Cup races, organized by the Halifax River Yacht Club. Smyrna Yacht Club's Lipton Cup is May 1 and 2. On May 28, the first portion of the Gulfstreamer Offshore Race to Charleston, South Carolina, known as the Daytona Dash, is from Ponce Inlet to the Daytona Beach Pier. The sailboats make a turn to the north at a marker set 300 yards east of racing's north turn. The sailboats are visible for 10 miles along the coast on the nearshore race course. For more information, visit our group page on Facebook. Search for Daytona Sailboat Racing on YouTube and various search engines.